This is the moment. We're at the dawn of a new industrial revolution, the intelligence age. AI is reshaping our world, and so it's important we must rethink the entire foundation of compute. The speed and scale at which the space is moving is unlike anything we've ever witnessed before. This is an entirely new type of infrastructure to stand up the intelligent age. With that new type of infrastructure requires a new type of company to make it happen. Crusoe is built for this. Crusoe has taken a vertically integrated approach to AI infrastructure, which is fundamentally this new category of infrastructure required to power this new era of intelligence. We're in the business of creating AI factories. Crusoe understands one of the biggest bottlenecks to intelligence isn't just code, it's power. One of the key insights when starting Crusoe was that it's actually easier to move data than it is to move energy. That led us to taking this very energy-first approach to developing large-scale computing infrastructure. And we'll go to the edge of the world to capture it, like geothermal power in Iceland, untapped wind energy in West Texas, and surplus solar in Nevada. We're pioneering a new age of energy abundance to power the AI revolution. We're talking about supersonic jet turbines to power AI factories, repurposed EV batteries, small modular nuclear reactors, and even looking at ways to access solar power 24/7 in outer space. The result is cost-effective, reliable power for intelligence.
Our campuses are measured in gigawatts. These are really scaled deployments of computing infrastructure that have never been heard of before until just the last few years of the AI revolution. These are very, very large concentrations of computing power. In total, across our portfolio, Crusoe is pursuing 45 gigawatts of developments. The idea of vertical integration isn't just about saving money or building products for ourselves because we prefer to control our own supply chains. A lot of it has to do with speed. Speed is the ultimate currency in the race to build out AI infrastructure. And we've seen that in many cases, there are components that previously took 1 year or more for us to source from third parties. But by manufacturing those in-house, we've been able to bring the timelines down to 16 weeks. It's saving us a lot of time and providing a lot more certainty on our timelines for delivery of data centers in the field.
We're fueling a reindustrialization of America. We're not just building data centers, we're creating the industrial backbone of the intelligence age. We're fostering a new generation of builders, from AI factories to new applications and services. Crusoe Cloud is the high-performance engine of our AI factory, delivering cutting-edge GPUs, a development platform, and managed AI services to accelerate our customers' ambitions. We handle the complexity so the world's most ambitious innovators don't have to. We do the heavy lifting so that our customers get the freedom to build faster and with confidence. We are Crusoe. We are building the foundation of the future for the next era of innovation.